Thank you for tuning in to APC Solution. Previously, we showed you the Lenovo Flex 5 Chromebook edition. And we had a question about it as far as if the RAM's upgradable. Today we're going to open this up and see exactly what it looks like inside. So without further ado, let's dive on in. So we're going to get into checking out what is inside of here for upgrade capabilities. Just need a tiny Phillips. I'm just going to go ahead, take these screws out. And you're going to want to watch, not all of these are sitting perfectly flush. Especially these ones. So when you're trying to unscrew it, make sure you keep your screwdriver aligned. Then you're going to want to come in with a pry tool of some sort, just to kind of get in here and get that popped up. There we go. So we'll take a quick review of the components. You've got your speakers here, 1, 2, those are your top facing speakers on the keyboard side. Your main motherboard consists of your USB-C, USB-A, headset jack, and the micro SD card slot. This secondary board here, which has the connector going around the main fan, has your power button, your volume up and down rocker, your Kingston lock, as well as your other USB-C on the other side. This right here is your wireless Bluetooth card. Another cable ribbon tying the two over. This is your heatsink going to the CPU. This cable right here is most likely our connector going to the display. You get your main power cable right here as well. Main audio cable that comes out of the board, runs over to speaker 1. Speaker 1 then runs down across the little part of the battery to speaker 2. If you look closely here, you can see what I was talking about earlier. All of these screws are all pitched at an angle, which is why it becomes important that you're making sure your screwdriver is properly aligned if you're dismantling to come into this. So we didn't dig too far in, but we did open it up and kind of walk you guys through some of the components inside this Chromebook. Without pulling the motherboard out, we couldn't confirm that there's no option to upgrade, but the likelihood's pretty low. Most Chromebooks today come with either a soldered on hard drive and RAM in order to help conserve space. But hopefully you found some of the information as far as what parts were where and what they looked like a little bit helpful. Let us know in the comment section. Do you like these types of teardown videos where we open things up and walk you through what the different components are or show you how to open it up? Please feel free to poke around and check out some of the other videos we've already made. Thanks again for watching. Have a blessed day.